Thank you for choosing Robot-Coupe. This is a training video explaining the essential steps for the assembly and operation of your floor-standing vertical cutter mixers. This video is suitable for R30 variable speed and R45 variable speed. Assembly. Place the bowl by pushing down and rotating it anti-clockwise. Align the arrows on the bowl and base to lock it in place. The flat part of the bowl must be on the front. Install the blade on the motor shaft. Lower the blade to the bottom of the bowl while rotating it. There are different blade assemblies with 2 or 3 blades. Please refer to the blade assembly video. Clip the lid onto the lid support. Rotate it to align the 2 arrows. Remove the cap. Insert the scraper arm into the lid and connect it to the handle. To close the lid, engage the hook under the rim of the bowl, then fold the handle down to lock the lid. Never use the appliance if the hook is not correctly positioned. Check that the hook is properly engaged under the rim of the bowl and the handle is correctly locked. Your machine is ready to work. Powering up the machine. Start up the machine. Plug the machine. The message CXFYY will appear on the screen. X is the control board configuration between 0 and 7. YY are the power supply frequency, 50 or 60 Hz. Open the lid and close it to activate the safety system. Press off button and release it. The 2 green lights will appear. Your machine is ready to work. Powering up the machine. Standby. Machine unused between 15 and 120 minutes. Press off button. The 2 green lights will appear. Your machine is ready to work. Powering up the machine. Extended standby. Machine unused for more than 2 hours. Open the lid. Close the lid. Press off button. The 2 green lights will appear. Your machine is ready to work. Safety indicator lights. When there is a continuous green light, the machine is ready to use. When there is an orange light, the machine is powered up, but not all the safety criteria have been met. The screen will display a troubleshooting message. Please refer to the diagnostic code video. When there is a red light, the motor has reached 120 degrees Celsius and will shut down. Wait for the green light to restart the machine. Operation. Press plus or minus speed button to increase or decrease the speed. Press on button. Press the plus and minus speed buttons at the same time to activate the R-Mix function. R-Mix is the reverse rotation for mixing without cutting. The green R-Mix direction light is on. Press on button to start the R-Mix function. Press the plus and minus speed buttons at the same time to switch to normal mode. The green direction light for the normal mode is on. Press plus button to add seconds to the timer. Press minus button to remove seconds to the timer. Press the on button to start the program. After using the machine, press stop button. Wait at least 3 seconds for the blade to stop completely before safely unlocking the lid. To pour the preparation, push the lever to unlock the bowl. Pull the lever to lock the bowl. Watch the next chapter for accessories.